Hello, you guys. I am back with a new video that I haven't had in like so long. Alright, well, I moved to a new house, so all my makeup is over there. So I am using some of my grandma's foundation and this stuff that I bought just for this video. And I am going to do my own tutorial. I tried a James Charles tutorial and I didn't have any of this stuff. So I was like, I don't have primer, I don't have concealer, I don't have this stuff. So all my primer and concealer is at my house, new house. So I'm just gonna make my own, and this is probably gonna be a fail because I don't know how to do makeup. So don't follow this at all. Just don't. It's gonna be bad. Well, I hope it looks good, but it's probably gonna be bad because I don't know what I'm doing. And yes, I am in the Harley Quinn outfit because why not? Let's get started. I am going to do my foundation for right now, and I have this little brush because I took my huge one to my house. So this is gonna be a while. So I'm just gonna stop it and then start it when my whole foundation is on my face. Okay, bye. Foundation is on, and I bet it's like super blotchy just because. Did you see the brush, the little blender thingy that I was using? Look how little this is. This is so hard. So hard to do. So, yeah, it's all blotchy and I miss my big blender brush out. But you know what? I don't care. So, okay, I am doing this videos. So let's get into it. I don't know what I'm speaking, but hello. Help. Okay. Do not know how to use highlighters at all. But you know what? This is probably gonna be a fail. But I'm gonna try this lighterish color. It's a highlighter. But I'm gonna use that as a contouring. I know you guys that know what I know about makeup is like, why? Just why? Well, why is, oh my god, I'm already breaking out. Why? Because you know what? I don't know what I'm doing, so don't get offended or triggered, okay? I am just a kid who don't know about makeup. So I'm just gonna get into this, and yeah, let's get into this. So I'm just gonna use this darker color as my contouring, so let's do it. That did literally nothing to my face. So I'm just gonna search in all this makeup to see, because I feel like I do have it. Wait, is this it? Let's see. I do. This messed out case right here is literally everything I need. This has contouring stuff, so I'm just gonna use this. Okay, so I did the contour here, and I did a lighter shade here and here, and then I went above my forehead with the lighter shade and came down to the bottom, and this looks so bad. What did I do? So yeah, that looks really bad, and this one's, it's bad. They're both really bad, but you know what? I don't have to go out in public. Ew, it looks like I have a fucking beard. Oh wait, you know what I did? I must have not have did my cheek, like with the foundation. Must have not did it too well, so it just looked like we got a beard on. But you know what? Oh my gosh. I look so bad because you could tell about where the foundation did not go. Wait, can you? I don't know, but I'm going to do the highlighter, so I'll be right back. Well, okay. I'm going to look in the actual mirror because the lighting in here is like so bad. What the heck? Okay, I think it's way lighter. This looks so bad. Actually, I don't know if I should say it looks good, but you know what? It's not horrible. I mean, you guys are probably like, what is she doing? But I have the rose gold hard candy highlighter. And I did all the different highlighters. The brown highlighter here, the pink up here, the white like down the middle, and here. You guys are like, what? Why? Well, I don't know about this stuff, so I'm just guessing. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead with the what's it called? Oh yeah, eyeshadow and eyeliner. We're gonna see after that what I think about the whole thing. So yeah. Okay, you guys. I mean, why? This is the, where is it? I literally just used it. How can I not know where it is? Okay, so here. Alright, I use this palette. I use that blackish color right there, and then I think that color, and then that color right there. And the blackish color, the medium color, and then the lighter color are all my eyes. And, okay, so I bought this at Hot Topic, and this was like a lot of money. And these are just kind of like the sparkle gel thingies. I'm gonna use the black one and the white one and see what that looks like. It's probably gonna look horrible, but at least I used my money's worth. So, yeah. Okay, so this is the black glitter. Why? Just freaking what? Why can't you really see it? I spent $10 on this. $10. And you give me this. You give me this. You give me this. What the heck? You should have been better, bro. You should have been way better, bro. I did a little silver. I'm gonna put this silver right up here. Vibration. That's about you. Now you can kind of see the sparkles. Vibe with me tonight. By you. Ride with me tonight. That's for you. Guess what? I'm singles. So I had no one to vibe with. Except for me, myself, and I, my dog. Yes, I said my dog. Don't judge me. Don't judge me at all. Because you know what? I'm lonely. And you know what lonely people do? They kill other people. Oh, I'm just kidding. Do not call the police on me. I did not just troll. You know what? I accidentally got another one. And I don't know why. There's gonna be so much sparkles on here. I'm gonna look like a hooker. And you know what? I'm not. Okay, I got the white glitter. I'm going to put on the top. Now, yes, I used all. I used a black, silver, and a white. And we're gonna see what this actually looks like. Which, right now, it looks like a hot freaking mess. Yes, I just spent like $30 on all this, and you give me this. No. Okay, I'm putting my eyeliner on, and we're gonna see at the end of this. So, let's hope it's not horrible. Okay, now. Warning. People might get triggered. And people getting triggered. What is this? I literally didn't put that on my face. But wait a minute. Are you telling me this isn't half bad? Okay, hold on. Oh, whoa. This isn't too bad. I mean, it does look like I have a bunch of dirt on my face. But, like, the eyeshadow part isn't half bad. I'm actually digging it. Everything but the eyeshadow part, I am not digging. My face is glowing. But, you know what? I'm going to get what my grandma thinks. Let's see this. See this now. Oh my god. I'm sorry, I saw a mirror. Okay, my grandma thinks. Grandma, I did my makeup. What do you think? Really? I thought I did horrible. Because I had no clue what I was doing. Well, she likes it.
I like it more.
Thank you, Grandma.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Well, I mean, it wasn't too bad. Now, that lighting. No. I know this lighting in this video sucks because it's my sister room. And everything in here sucks. Oreo, do you know who I am? Do I look at She's like, are you going to kill me? Oreo. Oreo, she won't even look at me. Oreo. Hey, baby. Oh, my God. My own dog is scared of me. Oh, baby. You think I'm going to kill you? I'll do that tomorrow. Just kidding. Oh, my own dog's scared of me. I'm triggered. It's okay. Mommy's not gonna kill you. And she's like, thank you. Okay, so it wasn't a fail. My grandma thought I looked cute, but to be honest, my grandma thinks I look cute and everything. But you know what? I tried. Comment below if you like it or not. If you don't, you know what? You could kiss my dog's little black butt. My dog has a black booty. Do not judge her black booty. I don't. Okay. Like and subs. Like and... Ew, Oreo, you're licking my makeup. Stop. Stop. Okay, like and subscribe to my channel. I make videos like every year. Just kidding. Every couple months. Okay. Bye. Roar. Wait. Also, if you guys comment below, like, why does she make a weird face every time? It's just because I think I look pretty when I make a weird face like this. Or like this. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. She's like, what is that taste in my mouth? Oh my god. You just ate my makeup. Okay, bye.